Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. I will be showing you how I get feed and braids with the heart on the side. I'm not going to make this intro long. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Make sure you share around, share with a friend. If you tried this hairstyle, let me know. Hope you find this video helpful. I will catch you guys in the video. So I'll pop out in and out explaining stuff because it's basically self-explanatory. So I'm just starting with my parting. Obviously you just want to get a curved parting and get that base outside of the heart shape. Then obviously that's where we do our base first because it's much easier to part the little dip bit in the middle of the heart where the heart bit actually forms. So that's just what I'm doing now. What you want to do now is get your beeswax and you're going to put that on the part of the heart and basically just make sure that nice crispy and just make sure that nice line that we've made for the heart does not get all messed up and it's just still looking cute and sharp. Not sure what happened to the footage there, but as you can see I just split the heart in half, and after I split the heart in half I'm then gonna split it again, like kind of in half but diagonally. Just watch, you know what I'm on about, just watch. Going in again with the beeswax, obviously just to make sure that we do have a heart formed and all the hairs doesn't get crossed over and it just looks like a whole ass mess. And then obviously I'm gonna start braiding up, and yeah, it's very self-explanatory. So you start from the middle of the heart and you just go around. onto the other heart now. Same exact technique, so I will just let you guys carry on and watch the video. So guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Obviously it's just my basic straight backs with a cute little heart. Let me know how I did. This is like, what, my second time maybe doing a braided heart pattern thing. So let me know how I did. If you like videos like this, don't forget, of course, to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.